I know many ballet dancers are resistant to learning folklore, and usually the excuse is, oh, I don't like performing folklore, why should I invest my time in learning it? Might as well invest that time and effort in learning classical rock sharki. But performing or even liking folklore and learning it, it's two different things, and there are a lot of benefits of learning folklore and studying folkloric dances, even if you are primarily performing rock sharki. For instance, in many ballet dance songs, you may hear folklore section in the middle. If you have Saidi section in the middle of your Muwashahat or Iraqi section in the middle of your Muwashahat, you cannot just ignore them. You need to know steps from those folklore steps to put even in your oriental performances. So you need to know those steps. Also, you can borrow a lot of tricks of what we do in drum solos or sometimes in other songs like crazy hair flips or something like that. That comes from Iraqi. If you learn Iraqi style, you will have so much bigger vocabulary of just a couple hair moves that maybe you learned from this or that oriental choreography. And finally, the ballet dance steps, they are based, the step pattern, the footwork that we do, it's based on a lot of steps from folkloric styles. So for instance, anyone who ever did a workshop in Mahmoud Reda Muwashahat style, either with the master when you had the opportunity to do it, or now with students and people who continue his lineage, you know how complicated it is. You know, you can see similarities. Oh, that we do something similar in belly dance as a famous or popular step, or this I can actually take. So you can not only see the connection and understand oriental steps and ballet dance steps better, but you can see what you can bring from folklore into your ballet dance to make it really spectacular, unusual, and really develop the foot pattern and step pattern in your vocabulary. So in this video, you will see a compilation of short clips from 4 major folkloric styles that I consider they are must know for all ballet dancers, even if you never ever perform them. And those are short clips from a full 20-minute tutorials which you can find at the Iana Dance Club. They're all gathered in the intensive, which I called folkloric drills for belly dance technique. So they are oriented for your belly dance activities, performances, and experimentations. All is available at the Iana Dance Club. It's ianadanceclub.com. Link will be in the description to this video. But even from this short YouTube video, I'm sure you can learn more. So afterwards, don't forget to let me know in comments what was your main takeaway and what is the most interesting thing that you learned from this video. So the basics of Saidi step at step, leg up. Step, leg up. Just this. Make sure your toe is pointed. On male version of Saidi, folkloric Saidi, they do flexed foot, and sometimes for adding a character, you add it here and there too. But as a female version of Saidi, it's tended more to be pointed, especially if you're talking about having Saidi section in your ballet dance song. So you're very graceful in ballet dance costume and suddenly floppy foot. Again, if it's for character, like once or twice here and there, on purpose, great. But tendency, like in general, try to have it not super pointed, but just elongated line. If you'll see, my knee goes with my leg and continues the same line. Look to the corner. Put your hair down. In this position, this hair down, switch to another corner. Lift it up diagonally, switch the corner. So one corner down, switch, bring it up, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. The main point here to maintain this diagonal, when you bring from down position to up, you're still on the diagonal. That's it. That's the most famous Iraqi figure 8. Now we just do it continuously. So instead of stopping, we're gonna go through all these 4 points. We go down, up, up, down, down, up, up. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. We go this arm. You can go either down, up, to the side, so the pattern will be down, center, up, side. Or if you do it a bit faster, it will be from center, up, side. Center, up, side. Another arm, it can go down, all the way up and open to the side. Once again, down, through the center, up, open to the side. Or if you do it a bit faster, arabesque, it will be just side, up, side. Sorry, center, up, side. 1, 2, 3. So let's try it together. Just our arms. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 1, 2, 3. Don't forget to look at me every time you turn. See me in your screen. 4. And then the last one from here, we're gonna do turn. On the turn, you can either keep it simple or you can add one hair circle. Literally just from one side to another. So from here, that's it. Nothing else. And finish with a shoulder shimmy. So that's our simple combo. Let's play with timing, but let's run it a couple of times. On circle. And here. And turn. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. If you want to study with me more in depth and on a regular basis, check out the Iana Dance Club, where I post full classes, full dance workouts on different topics, as well as choreography explanations and dance-related lectures. You can find all details at ianadanceclub.com. It's ianadanceclub.com. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share it with your friends.